So there's really big science news today. Fusion ignition has happened. It really is here. I've been writing about fusion for a long time, and this is a moment that I've been excited for a long time. I interviewed Tammy Ma a few years ago. She's one of the scientists who was part of this recent breakthrough. And she told me that when this happens, it would be a little like landing on the moon. So I'm sure she's elated. Everyone involved is elated. I just wanted to share a little information about what happened for someone who may be curious, because there's a lot of hype around this kind of stuff usually. I know people get excited and they tend to maybe think that things are farther along than they really are. So what does this breakthrough really mean? So fusion ignition is when you get more energy out of the system than you put in. It means you've started a chain reaction. Fusion, if you don't know, is the same process that makes the sun shine and makes all stars shine. It has amazing potential to give us very clean and plentiful energy in the future. However, what just happened is one experiment. It is not anywhere close to being a power plant. It is an important step on the way there. Super exciting milestone, but there's at least 10 years, probably more, before what just happened could be something that could put electricity into our grid and help us replace some of the fossil fuels that we're using. So while this is very exciting, fusion ignition is a big deal. It's not going to fix climate change. It's not going to replace fossil fuels now. We still need to do everything else that we've been doing. But it is an exciting moment, and I'm so excited and happy for the scientists who worked so hard for this. And I'm gonna have to change my book. I wrote a book that came out last year that talks about fusion and its potential for the future. And in my book, I say that it hasn't happened yet, ignition, but now it has. So here's my chapter of my book, Welcome to the Future.